Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fireplace bellows that are available on the market for their true quality.
I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Gtongoko Fireplace Bellows Air Blower. The Gtongoko Bellows Air Blower is crafted from solid wood, ensuring durability with a sleek, elegant design. The heat-resistant materials keep your hands safe while enhancing your fire-starting experience. Its dimensions make it easy to handle and store, providing a wide opening for efficient airflow to ignite your fire quickly. This tool is perfect for fireplaces, fire pits, and barbecues, allowing you to maintain a safe distance from flames and smoke while effectively boosting the fire. It's not just functional, it also adds a rustic touch to your home decor. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Kings County Tools Large Fireplace Bellows. The Kings County Bellows is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for your fireplace, fire pit, or camping trips. Crafted from genuine leather and a sturdy hardwood frame, this bellows ensures lasting durability while adding a touch of rustic charm to your setup. Its double strap design keeps it securely closed when not in use and allows for easy hanging. Using the bellows is simple. It efficiently directs air to your flames, helping you create a robust fire from a safe distance. At number 3, we have the Oak Leaf Fire Bellows. Oak Leaf Fire Bellows is a high-quality and practical fireplace bellow made of multi-layer MDF and faux leather materials. Its 15.5-inch by 7-inch size provides optimal airflow to start and maintain fire, while the heat-resistant zinc alloy cast nozzle ensures durability and safety. No installation is required, and the handles are designed to keep you at a safe distance from smoke and fire. This bellow is not only practical, but also decorative, perfect as a gift or for personal use at indoor-outdoor fireplaces, fire pits, barbecues, and camping. It is also easy to store and take away with a convenient hanging strap. At number 2, we have the Oak Leaf Bellows for fireplace and barbecue. The Oak Leaf Bellows is a large-sized fire bellow that provides optimal airflow to start your fire and barbecue coals thanks to its high-volume air push design. Made of oak wood and faux leather, this fire bellow is wear-resistant and sturdy enough to effectively get your fire going and staying on without cracking or deformation. The heat-resistant zinc alloy cast nozzle does not melt at high temperature and outperforms the metal one. It is a practical tool that you could not miss in winter for your fireplace and in summer for barbecue. And finally, at number 1, we have the Oak Leaf Fire Bellows. Oak Leaf Fire Bellows is a high-quality and practical fireplace bellow made of multi-layer MDF and faux leather materials. Its 15.5-inch 7-inch size provides optimal airflow to start and maintain fire, while the heat-resistant zinc alloy cast nozzle ensures durability and safety. No installation is required, and the handles are designed to keep you at a safe distance from smoke and fire. This bellow is not only practical but also decorative, perfect as a gift or for personal use at indoor-outdoor fireplaces, fire pits, barbecues, and camping. It is also easy to store and take away with a convenient hanging strap.
Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.